Kate Middleton isn't letting the drama of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle get the best of her as she diverts all her energy to her life's work. Royal editor Russell Myers. He said, "I was speaking to someone at the palace when Spare was kicking off and we knew that Shaping Us was about to be launched. And they said, listen, Spare is in the past, the Wallises have totally ignored it," he added. "I'm sure they can't ignore it completely, but it's all very much a part of, this is what we're here for. The noise from coming across the pond is something altogether entirely different," he explained. "And you can't confuse the two of them? Because Shaping Us has been a great success over the last few days," Russell, the royal expert, noted. The palace has described Shaping Us as Kate's life's work. And when you ask them what she does on a day-to-day basis, it's very much a lot of reading, a lot of research. Thanks for watching and check out one of our newest videos.